In this tutorial we will look at the token licensing feature and review what features are available for this license type. The token management interface provides full administrative control over issued licenses. From here, we can revoke a license, mark it as removed, permanently delete it, or download the complete license package to send directly to a customer. The table displays all serial numbers issued across different license types. We can filter and sort token licenses, including distinguishing between those with or without associated client information. Columns can also be shown or hidden depending on what data we want to focus on. On the client side, users can check the status of their license at any time. For demonstration purposes, we will use a valid serial number. License activation is performed through a straightforward process. The user selects the product and enters the required information. The required input fields depend on how the product license type was configured during setup. Some license types require extended client information, while others only require a valid serial number. Under normal circumstances, users activate their license directly through the software, which connects securely to the API activation server. The process demonstrated here is only required if the automatic activation fails, for example, if no connection to the API server is detected or if the API service is not installed or accessible on the server. License removal can also be performed through this interface. This allows the user to release the license from one machine so it can be activated on another. Normally, removal is handled automatically by connecting directly to the API. However, if that process is not possible, the software can generate a removal request file. By uploading this removal request file, the system verifies its authenticity and integrity. If all validation checks pass, the removal request is approved and the license is released. Finally, it is important to note that homepage features can be enabled or disabled as needed, giving full flexibility over system configuration.